pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this quick and easy sponge cake. To get started, I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using some evaporated milk, butter, eggs, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. I have some vanilla extract, almond extract, some oil, as well as baking powder, orange zest. I have salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Let's jump right in. Now to get started, you want to start by combining all of your dry ingredients, which are the salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and baking powder. Mix well and set that aside. Next, we're going to add our flavors to the eggs, which are the vanilla extract, almond extract, and our orange zest. We'll add them to the eggs, mix well, and set that aside. This prevents the eggs from having that raw, rank taste and smell. Now moving on to creaming our butter and sugar. We're going to add our butter, sugar, and some oil. I like the combination of oil and butter. It makes for a more moist, fluffy cake. So we're going to cream this until it's light and fluffy, and then I'll show you all the next step. Once this becomes lighter in color and it's nice and fluffy, we're going to start adding our eggs a little at a time until it's well combined. Once all the eggs are added, you want to start adding the milk a little at a time until it's fully combined. So now to the wet ingredients, you want to start adding the dry ingredients a little at a time until it's just combined. You don't want to develop that gluten in the flour, so avoid overmixing your batter. Once we're done, I will show you all the last step. So today I'll be using a greased 9-inch baking pan. I did line it with some parchment paper. Next, you want to add your batter to the pan, and then we will level it off nicely, and you want to hit it to the countertop to remove any air bubbles that might be there. And you want to place this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. It all depends on your oven and how long it will take. Once you stick a skewer or a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean, that's how you know it's done. After about 35 minutes, this is what my cake is looking like. It smells amazing, and I can't wait to show you all what it looks like on the inside. But first, we'll allow it to cool off for 10 minutes. Then we'll remove it from the pan and allow it to cool down completely before we slice into it and see what it looks like on the inside. And now for the good part, let's just see what the cake looks like on the inside. Well, I already know because I made it 100 times before and it's my absolute favorite. The cake is super simple, but it's divine in like taste and flavor. Like all the orange zest, the cinnamon, nutmeg, all those spices, and the almond extract, everything was coming right through. The cake is light, fluffy, and everything you would want in a sponge cake. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.